How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another video. And today's video is going to be sponsored by a company called Auxito, and they also do LED lights. So I have these, and I'm going to be selling these on my cousin's '98 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to go ahead and unbox the box for you now to see what comes inside the box. So here it goes. So Auxito sent me these decoders here. So a lot of bulbs come with it built in already. So these ones right here must not have them inside. So you don't want LED to be flickering or anything, and like these are kind of like resistors, I think. But yeah, this is the box that comes with. So let's go ahead and open it up. That's pretty cool. They give you lights. Oh yeah, sorry, not lights, but gloves, so that you're not touching the bulbs, the OEM bulbs, with your hands getting any grease on it. So that's pretty cool. And then here are the bulbs. So this is my cousin's 4Runner right here. Right now it's got HIDs in the headlights, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the OEM halogen bulbs in, just so that we could get a comparison between stock and aftermarket. But I'll show you guys the beam pattern against the garage door here of the halogen, HID, and LED, so that you guys could go ahead and make you guys' decision on what may be best for you, and I'll give you guys my opinion on what the best output is as well. Alright, so this output is with HIDs, and as you can see, there's like a lot of glare on the garage here, and these don't have any projectors, so that's pretty normal for HIDs, and it could be blinding other people with that. So let's go ahead and see how it looks with the halogens. Alright, so this is how the light output on the halogens, which are the OEM bulbs. So that has a better cutoff point than the HIDs for sure. So let's see how it is with the LEDs on. Alright, so to install the decoder, it should be pretty simple. It's just two plugs here. Here's the OEM harness here, the brown one here. So you just plug one end into that. Alright, so here is the LED bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and install that. Alright, so these already look better on the car. I'm not sure how the beam pattern is yet, so I'm going to close the garage and so that we can check that out. But the great thing about LEDs is that they turn on to the full capacity right away. I know that I noticed that on the HIDs it takes a little bit for it to heat up and get up to temperature. Yeah, the LEDs turn bright right away. So I'm going to go ahead and close this garage and so that we can check out the beam pattern. Alright guys, look at this beam pattern compared to the HID pattern. Now, there's not a lot of glare like above the main line there, but I think the right side could just be adjusted to match the left side, or the left side could be put up to match the right. But yeah, the pattern is, the cutoff point is much better than HIDs, so I would truly recommend you getting LEDs. And there's still LEDs in the halogen lamp here, so it has like a nice crisp white light. I guess it doesn't really show that on camera, but over here the light is I guess on my end it's white. So I definitely recommend you get LEDs. And again, these LEDs are from a brand called Auxito here, and I have a discount code in the description below for you guys to use as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I know that's pretty short and it's kind of impromptu here. I'm not at my house or my warehouse right now, but I just want to get these installed on my cousin's car for him. But yeah, check out the link in the description for our discount code for you guys to use. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to enjoy life and go slow.